Here's how to check location of someone on iPhone. So in this video, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can check someone's location on your own iPhone. Yeah, so make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know how you can check someone's location. So first of all, what you have to do is just get this app right over here. It's called Find My. So here, as you can see, I have it on my home screen, but if you can't find it on your home screen anywhere, what you can simply do is just go to App Store, and once you're in App Store, just search up Find My app. And yeah, just search up Find My and you'll be able to see it in your app store. So here, as you can see, I already have it. So if you don't see it anywhere else, just press on it and you'll be fine. So yeah, just press open. And here, once you can see that I'm on this app, and right now I'm not added with anyone and I cannot check someone's locations because I'm not added with anyone in this app, and I need to have their access to add them with me. But yeah, you'll be able to see anyone's location. If anyone's sharing with you, you'll be able to see in this specific area of the people. But yeah, if you want to share your own location, it's pretty simple. You can see right over here, it says start sharing location. Just press on it and you'll be able to share your location with anyone you want to. And yeah, if they are using Find My, they will be able to check. If they're not, they won't be. Here's another method on how you can see or check someone else's locations and you can share them your location too. So it's pretty simple. What you can do is just basically go to your messages. And once you're in messages, here, as you can see, I already have a contact right over here. So if you press on the contact, you'll be able to see the chat box, but you just have to simply press on the contact on the top, and here it will bring you this. So here, as you can see, that I currently don't have the option of sharing my live location because like I don't have any SIM card on me and it might be not available in my country. But once you press right over here, you'll be able to see a location pop up right over here, and you'll be able to turn it off and on right over here. So yeah, this is another way on how you can check someone else's location or share your own location. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.